back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I am going to show you what my family ate this week. I'm going to show you 4 different healthy meal ideas for the weeknight, and they are going to be super easy. So if you are interested, stay tuned. First night we had some BBQ Chickpea Bowls. My husband and son had some pork and I had some chickpeas. I started out with 2 tomatillos, a little bit of pepper. I had some carrots, red onion, and a zucchini. I chopped everything up, drained and rinsed my garbanzo beans, and roasted it in the oven with some barbecue sauce.
Did you forget what you said? I'm the one that you want. Was it all in my head? Don't give up on me, baby.
I also wanted to make a sauce for the top, so I did equal parts ketchup, Dijon mustard, and the Just Mayo, which is my favorite vegan mayo.
It's all or nothing for me. Stay by my side just tonight. My heart is on the line. Stay by my side just tonight. In the morning we can pick up the fight. Don't give up on me, babe. Remember the early days, you and me in the sun. Let the sweet times carry us. Don't give up on me, babe. Even if we need space, I know we'll find a way. Baby, you just have to stay. Stay by my side.
The next night we had black bean and pork flautas, I believe is how you pronounce it. But instead of frying them, we actually baked them. So we started out with some flour tortillas, and then I used the Kite Hill ricotta cheese. I went ahead and sauteed some pepper and onions with a little bit of garlic. I finished it off with some black beans, and I'm going to serve mine with chow cheese and my husband's with American.
Stay by my side just tonight. Stay by my side just tonight. My heart is on the line. Stay by my side just tonight. In the morning we can pick up the fight. In the morning we can pick up the fight.
All my life I've wondered what I should do. Would you tell me if you knew? Would you hold it above my head and say it's all for the best? No, my life I've wondered what I should say. It always feels like a mistake. Another hysterical craze. I'm getting less brave by the day.
The next night we had Caprese Blts. This was my favorite recipe of the entire week. I used the benevolent bacon by Sweet Earth. That's my favorite. And then my husband used the regular bacon. I don't mind eating the butt end of the bread. All I do is flip it over and put mayo on that side, and I can barely tell a difference, and it doesn't waste the bread ends. I'm going to use some balsamic. I'm going to use some fresh tomatoes and spinach, and then I'm going to put cream cheese on one side. I'm going to use the Kite Hill. I'm going to put some basil, rosemary, and chives in there. And yeah, it's that simple. It's pretty easy to put together a BLT, but what I like to do is get my crispy bacon ready as well as my husband's, and then we just like to bring all the ingredients over on a tray to the table, and we just kind of help ourselves.
For too long, I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. Nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling. I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for.
The next night we had a veggie curry. I call this everything but the kitchen sink. This is usually what I do on Saturday or Sunday nights, but I use up all of our veggies or anything, honestly, that's just looking a little sad, and I put it in a pot and I either make it into a curry or a soup or some type of simmer, but it always comes out super delicious with a lot of flavor. You could absolutely add lentils to this or garbanzo beans. I served my husband's with shredded chicken, but honestly, this comes out solid every single time, and it makes your house smell delicious. So I hope you enjoy this recipe.
And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I try my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly, 'cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, got nothing left. Nothing left. Nothing left.
Hold up just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time.
Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for this week's What's for Dinner. I really hope you enjoyed these recipes. If you do have any questions, please drop them down in the comments below. And also let me know if you like when I voice over in the beginning of the recipes, or if you would rather just hear the music and read the recipes in the description box below. Either or is fine with me. If you are new here, we would love it if you would become part of our little YouTube family, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you to all of my returning subscribers. You mean the world to me. Stay adventurous, stay creative. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Bye.
I was out driving